Hi, loves. How are you doing? How is your day? How is your week? How is your month? How is everything? Hopefully, you're doing great, and thank you so much for coming back. Today, I have this Burmese curly crochet here, and this hair is so light, 100% human hair, and I am going to do miracle knots because I find that is the best way to do this hairstyle. And you can style this hairstyle in so many ways, and here are some of the style that you can style. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. I do appreciate and love your support. And if you're new to this family, you are most welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and before you leave, kindly give this video a big thumb up, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. I'm using ELFINHAIR. This is Burmese curly crochet hair, 100% human hair. Let's open the package together to see what's inside. This is the hair, color 1, and this is how it looks in the back. Let me open and show you. Well, yeah, this is how it looks like. As you can see, the hair is very soft, and in every pack contain 5 rings, and in each ring contain 20 strands. So I got 2 packs of Burmese crocheted human hair. And I love the way they go extra in their package because it's not only the hair in the pack, you will also get a bonnet to secure and to protect your hair while you are sleeping. You'll get the bonnet with their brand name. Not only that, you will also get edge brush, crochet hook or crochet needle, 2 cards. One is instruction cards, what kind of products you can use, how to maintain your hair, what to do and what you can't do with this hair. And in the back it shows 100% virgin human hair. And another card is for thanks or to show appreciate that you bought the hair, and such a very sweet message over there. And they also show the types of hair that they are selling. And you also get a pack of wig cap which contain 2 pieces. I start by washing because I do love to wash all hair before I braid. I use lukewarm water. You may either decide to add some white vinegar and shampoo. You may decide to leave the hair in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes before you wash, or you may decide to wash the hair immediately. And because this is 100% human hair, you don't need to use too much power while you're washing. As you can see, my finger, they are passing through, and I am very gentle washing the hair. This is how you're supposed to wash your hair as well. And you can see how dirty the water it is after I washed 2 packs. And then I put another water and I rinse again. And then I change the water for the 3rd time. And I make sure everything is clean and neat. So I apply some leave-in conditioner while the hair is still wet. I put on my palm. You may use any kind of leave-in conditioner that you have. And I use a hairbrush to brush the hair. Honestly, I'm so in love with this hair because it's very soft and the curls are beautiful. So after I apply some leave-in conditioner and brush the hair, you can see how the curls looks like. So I leave the hair there and I allowed the hair to be 100% dry. Here is the next day, and I am going to work with small sections because I got 2 packs, and 2 packs are enough, very enough to braid your entire head. So after I part for the first time, I go ahead and apply some hair wax, then I redo the line again. If you don't have idea how to braid, this video is for you. I have 2 mirrors, one it's in the front and another one it's in the back. I divide my natural hair into 3 sections, and middle piece goes in back of my thumb finger, while my index and my thumb finger grab the hair from the right side. Then again, the middle section goes in back of my thumb finger, while my index and my thumb finger pick a new strand. And that's how I keep braiding until the end of my natural hair. And I make sure I keep like an inch so that I'll be able to attach this hair in the end. So this is the space I keep in the end. But before I attach this Burmese curly crochet hair, I make sure I apply some hair wax on my natural hair so that I'll be able to tuck in my hair well. Before you start braiding, make sure you hold the hair in the middle so that both sides will be even. 2 strands from this hair, while the 3rd strand is my natural hair, and I keep braiding until the end of my natural hair, then I drop. I realized this method is so good because it's just easy to pick the hair and add in the end of my natural hair rather than to braid my entire head and then to add hair pieces in the end. So again, as you can see, these front sections I hold a bit different compared with the back sections because different side of your head you have to master how to place your hands so that you'll get clean and neat sections. So I keep braiding, but I keep an inch in the end so that I'll be able to attach the Burmese curly hair. Can you see how I attach? I make sure I hold the hair in the middle and I do regular braids, like regular braids. And at this point, I keep braiding until the end of my natural hair. Then I drop the hair. And this hair you can reuse over and over again. This is not something that you can use once. You can use twice, 3 times or more depending on how you will maintain your hair. So if you don't want too much, you're good to go like this. But since I got 2 packs and I still have a lot of hair, let me go ahead and crochet the 2nd piece in each strand. Because I did small sections, so each strand I am going to crochet in the beginning of my natural hair. So it's so easy to crochet this hair. So I open the loop, I put the hair, then I close the loop and pull the hair through. Then I only make a knot one time because once you are done, the hair won't unravel. Don't worry thinking that when you make only single knot the hair will unravel. The hair it won't. Don't worry. But when you are braiding, make sure you didn't or you are not tying the hair too much because it will be a little bit hard to crochet the hair. And then go ahead and crochet the hair, only secure once. And at this point, I decide to pull all the hair, my natural hair, together with the new strand. I crochet, then I pull and make sure the hair is well secured. Just simple and easy like this. I'm telling you, this hair took me maybe around 3 hours to braid this small section and to crochet the hair, because this hair is a game changer. Like, it's not hard, it's so easy, something you can do at home. And beside that, this hair is so light, very, very light and easy to maintain. Here I'm done with installation, and let me show you how the hair it looks and how to style the hair. I go ahead and apply some mousse. You may use any kind of mousse, or if you don't have mousse, go ahead and use leave-in conditioner, because I realized leave-in conditioner and mousse, they work together on this specific kind of hair. And after that, you can see you even can brush or can comb this hair through. And can you see the difference between the side I apply some mousse and the side that I did not apply the mousse? Like, the curls are beautiful. And you can rock your hairstyle like this way. And in the back, the hair is very full, like you can't tell. Can you see how fully the hair it is? And can you see the length? Like, it's almost up to my waist. And this is how you can style your hairstyle so that you won't feel bored with only one style. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumb up, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your loved ones. Bye.